Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Sanibonani, igama ngu Clarence isibongo Mathebula. Ngiphuma eKwathema. Ngirepresenta i-company ebathi Gumbari multi harvest clothing treatment. Shuthi lelo gama lelo ungithola na ku Facebook. So basically into engiyenzayo mina, I'm a fashion designer whereby I design my own garments. So business yami ngiqale kuyiregistera 2020. So at that time benganaso iskill se fashion designing. So reason being ukuthi ngize ngene ku fashion designing is because bengithengisa amakepisi nama t-shirt whereby lezo zinto lezo bengistoka. So ukustokeni kwami ngahlangabezana nama problems, ithola ukuthi maybe ezinye izinto engizithengayo ama sizes awalingani kahle. So ngabona ukuthi hayi man, ibusiness yami idinga iskill. So ibusiness yami bese ngiregisterile, so whereby ngafuna iskill ngasithola eTechnoserve. So whereby iTechnoserve yanginikeza leso skill se fashion designing whereby manje I'm able to sew my own garments, I'm able to design a trouser, I'm able to design a jacket, a shirt, except inkathulo namakausi. Nje basikhuluma vele ngempahla nje lezi ezilaphezulu, ibruku, shirt, vele lezi ezinye izinto nama bucket hats except ikepisi yongayenzi. So ngajabula ukuthi ningisupport via social media. Ngitholakala ku Facebook. Ku Facebook bafuna ukungilandela uzothi Gumbari multi harvest clothing treatment Facebook. WhatsApp number uzongithola ku 07923 72 199. WhatsApp number yami leyo. So ku email i-website into esinganayo kwamanje, but isalungisa ukuthi okay sikhona ukulungisa indaba zama website ne trademarking, because into engimisile ukuthi ngakhona ukuzilungisa lezo zinto lezo trademarking. So kwamanje ngitholakala kulawo ma platform lawo. Hi, my name is Clarence Mathebula and I'm a Township Entrepreneur.